Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video we are going to create a 3D rose surface plot using Python. So let us start this by importing the required libraries. So NumPy is used for numerical calculations and creating coordinate grids, and matplotlib.pyplot is used for plotting the 3D surface. And now we'll set its parameter. So this is the number of petals that can be any float or integer. So here we can increase it also, and we can make the petals less also. And here the variable k controls the number of petals in the rose pattern. So a higher or fractional k gives more complex shape. And now we'll create a mesh grid for angles. So here theta goes from 0 to 2 pi, wrapping around the z-axis like the longitude, and phi goes from 0 to pi, spanning from the top to bottom of the sphere like latitude. And np.meshGrid creates a grid of angle values used for surface plotting. And now we'll define the rose function. And this defines the radius r at each angle based on the polar rose formula, which is r into theta into phi is equals to sine k into theta into sine phi, where sine k into theta makes the petal pattern and sine phi ensures the pattern wraps over the sphere rather than staying flat. And now we'll convert the 3D Cartesian coordinates. So this converts spherical coordinates r, theta and phi to Cartesian coordinate x, y and z, where x is equals to r into sine phi into cos theta, y is equals to r into sine phi into sine theta, and z is equals to r into cos theta. This gives a 3D shape based on the rose function wrapped over a sphere. And now we'll plot the surface. So this creates a 3D plot with projection 3D, and plot surface draws the rose curve using X, Y and Z, and CMap Inferno adds color based on height and intensity, and edge color is none, which is smooth the surface by the hiding grid lines. Now we'll set the title. This sets a suitable title to the plot. And ax.axis_off turns off the axis for a clean visual, and plt.show displays the plot. So here we can see a rose surface plot. So thanks for watching this video.